So you want to reveal text without a mask, or in other words, without having to do something like this. Don't worry, using a mask isn't the only option available to you. It's not always the most appropriate option. So what I like to do in those times is use the animate property, and nestled within your text layer is something called the animate property, and it's directly across from where it says text here. And right where it says animate, you click this little button and you'll have all these different little options available for you to animate. But what we're looking for more specifically is the one where it says character value. Now when you click that, you'll get a new option available to you within your text layer of Animator 1. And underneath Animator 1 is where it says Range Selector. And what this does, the Range Selector, is it selects a range of things within your text field. So either from 0% to 1%. And at start right now, at the very beginning, the start area is at 0 and the end area is at 100%. What that really translates to is there's like an invisible bookend at the very beginning of this text area at the very start, and at the very end there's also another bookend here at the very end. And what this animator is doing is basically telling the program to select everything within these two bookends. We can move these around too, so like bring this down to 34. And that will be from 34 to 100% is selected with our range selector. But we don't have any properties added to this, so it's not really animated anything. Sure, it's selecting these things, but we're not telling it what to do. So what we got to do is go over here to where it says add at Animator 1 and add a property. And what property we're going to add is opacity, because we want certain areas of our text to be completely opaque, and then reveal our text to be not opaque. So you can see here, from 0 to about 34% is revealed. That's because it's not within the 34 to 100% of our range selector. So from 34 to 100%, our text is completely opaque. And that's what we want, because we can always drag the percentage down and up and then animate it here on the timeline in order to reveal our text. So what I'm going to do is choose a position here on the timeline and put an anchor there. So right here, we'll go to this starting anchor, and we'll have our start range selector at 0. So it's from 0 to 100%, everything is selected and opaque within our range selector. And then we'll move our anchor to an area down the timeline, and then have the start area go all the way down to 100% so that nothing is within our range selector, and therefore revealing all of our text. And then from here, all you'd have to do is press play. And look, isn't that nice and easy? It's great, right? On top of this, there are other options available to you too. If you don't want it to reveal by character, you can also have it reveal by other things too. If you just go over here to the advanced area, and then where it says based on where it says characters, you can change that to something like lines. And if we go here now, it will reveal by line. So really, really easy, really simple. I hope you got everything you needed out of me. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching.